Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete files from Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive and then select the file you want to delete and paste on it. Then tap on the three dots icon. Now tap on remove. And guys, you can see if you tap on move to trash, then your files will be automatically deleted forever after 30 days. So if you want to remove, then tap on move to trash. And that's it. That's how you can delete your files from Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.